Now, as we all know, last week Bitcoin fell to as low as $39,000, and then not long after that, the market started to recover. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you why you need to be cautious and what levels to watch out for and take some profit before the market goes back down. So with that being said, we're going to be starting with Bitcoin. So in the last episode I did on market review, I told you guys to place a buy limit order at $41,000 or around the $40,000 range. Obviously, if you listen to me, you would have gotten into the market right now because the market fell to as low as $39,800 and then it has since recovered to $43,000. So if you bought Bitcoin at the price of 41 and you would like to take some profits off the table, the perfect price to do so, or the best price to do so, is going to be $45,000. That is because $45,000 has acted as support once and also acted as resistance, and in this case it's going to be acting as resistance. So basically, resistance is basically just a price ceiling and support is basically just a price floor. So in this case, this aspect right here is support and this right here is resistance. Now, if you've not watched my video where I expand on this and show you guys how to trade and understand what these levels are, in the description below I'm going to have a link to the video where you can go watch it and then you can just understand exactly what I'm saying. But in the meantime, you actually do not need to learn that in order to know what I'm talking about. All I'm just saying is there's a chance that when the market gets to $45,000, it's going to slow down and or reverse. So meaning that by the time it gets to $45,000, it's probably going to slow down and then come back down towards 41,000 or 40,000 or even lower. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. Just as Bitcoin has started to recover, we can see Ethereum has started to recover as well. Ethereum currently sits at $3,300. Now, if you would like to take some profit off the table for Ethereum, the best place to do that is going to be at the 3,500 to 3,600 level. And if you bought it at the low of 3,200, that will be about a 10 to 13% profit that you will be in. So basically, this way, if you bought $100 worth of Ethereum at $3,200, by the time it gets to $3,600, you would have made a $10 to $13 profit, which you can just take off the table and then wait for Ethereum to fall back down to a lower price and then you can get into the market. Now let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano is one I told you guys about the last time. I said something about buying at the $1 mark, but as you can see, Cardano came to as low as $1.08, but it didn't actually hit the $1 mark. And as it looks right now, $1.20 is a great spot to buy some Cardano. So being that the market didn't get to $1, a good spot to place a buy limit would be at the $1.20 area because it seems to have acted as support here. So should you buy some Cardano right now? Yeah, it's still in a great price to buy it right now because it's still freaking cheap. It came down all the way from $3 and now it's sitting at $1.26. So there are two things you can do. Buy some Cardano at present prices of $1.26 or set a buy limit at $1.20. Remember guys, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, I have a link in the description below that will get you up to speed. So where would be this perfect spot to take some profit off Cardano? That would be at the $1.48 level because it has acted as resistance and chances are when the market comes back towards that area, it's probably going to slow down and retrace back down in price. And the percentage for that would be about a 23%. So if you bought $100 worth of Cardano at the lows of $1.20, by the time it gets to $1.48, you'll be making about a $20 to $23 profit. And obviously, the higher money you put in, the higher profit potential you make as well. So that's something that you should definitely look out for. So let's take a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin massively moved from its lows of 13 cents and jumped up by almost 40% to its present price of 19 cents. Now, if you guys have remembered for a while, I've been telling you guys to buy Dogecoin at these low prices because I see it as something that long term is probably going to hit $1. And I've made a video about what I think about Dogecoin versus Shiba Inu. So if you've not watched that video, it's going to be in the description below and at the top right corner of your screen as well. You can go watch it to see what I think about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, which I think is going to win at the long term. So why did Dogecoin jump by 40%? Well, it's simply because of this. Tesla starts accepting Dogecoin for merchandise. So obviously because of this news, Dogecoin jumped by a lot. And if you go to Tesla's website and head on to their store, you can see that they've started accepting Dogecoin for some of their products. As you can see here, the belt buckle is going for 835 Doge, and this cyber quad is going for 12,020 Doge. So if you have this amount in Dogecoin, you can literally buy all these items right now with your Dogecoin. As we can see over here, we also have a cyber whistle going for 300 Doge. So this is definitely a good development in the positive side for Dogecoin. So no doubt that it jumped all the way to as high as 21 cents and currently sitting at the 19 cents area. So if you bought Dogecoin at the lows of 13 to 14 cents range, and you would like to know if now is a good time to take some profit off the table, absolutely yes, this is the right time, because as you can see, those of you who have watched my videos in the past, you would understand that right now the price has actually hit a resistance. As you can see, it acted as support here on August of 2021, acted as support here on September of 2021, where the price came here and then went up. But since when the price broke below the 19 cents level, you can see it tried to go above it, but it came back down to close below that and then headed all the way down to 14 cents. And now it's currently at that same level. So which means if you bought Dogecoin in the dip, like I said, you will be in some healthy profit right now. So now is a good time to take off some profit. For more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell right next to it. I release new videos every week and you'll be the first to be notified when that happens. And don't forget guys, if you got any cryptocurrency you would like me to review and take a look at their prices, the best way to let me know is going to be in the comment section down below. Put in the cryptocurrency you would like me to review and I'll tell you next week where to take some profits and where to buy the dip. Alright guys, with that being said, I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.